Salams and welcome. Thank you for joining me in episode number 529 of the Afrikaans translation of the Holy Quran. Ons is nou besig met die Heilige Quran en dit is die Heilige Quran by Imam M.A. Baker. Auzubillahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, in die naam van Allah, die barmhartige, die genadige. Hoofstuk nummer 62, die Vrydag bijeenkomst, Friday, the assembly prayer on Friday, Al-Jumu'ah, right? Surah 62. Afdeling 2 van hoofstuk nummer 62, die Vrydag gebed. O julle gelowiges, wanneer julle tot die Vrydag gebed opgeroep word, gee dan gehoor en oordink Allah en verlaat julle sakebedrywe. Dit is vir julle beter indien julle dit weet. And you will see this in many, many areas, even in South Africa and all over the world, especially if you go to Mecca and Medina, that as soon as the call to prayer is announced, the people, they leave their shops open. Well, they can do that not in South Africa. In South Africa, even when your shops are closed, they break in. But in other countries, in Muslim lands, if your shops are open, they won't take your jewelry, they won't steal your goods, right? Because they got this God consciousness, this awareness that they are being watched, right? So they won't do that. So the barakat by leaving your goods, your business. Common sense will tell you you are losing customers. But from a spiritual point of view, there's no barakat in trying to make money during the time for the Friday prayer. You rather go for the prayer. Once the prayer is done, then you go seek the bounty of your Creator, and you'll find there'll be much more blessings and barakat in your earning, right? Let's start again. O julle gelowiges, wanneer julle tot die Vrydag gebed opgeroep word, gee dan gehoor en oordink Allah en verlaat julle sakebedrywe. Dit is vir julle beter indien julle dit weet. Maar wanneer die gebed geëindig het, versprei dan deur die land en soek na Allah se oorvloed. Then you can go and search for the bounty of Allah, né? En dink baie aan Allah sodat jy succesvol mag wees. Maar as hulle koopware of enige vermaaklikheid sien, gaan hulle haastig daarheen en laat u staan. Sê, wat by Allah is verkiesliker as vermaaklikheid en handel. And Allah is the best voorsien. Asseblief mense, please get your free copy of the Quran today. Contact the IGM 031 304 6883, IPCI 031 306 0026 or 27, or the MJC 021 684 4606, or this copy where we're reading from. I got it from my friend John Junus Musadada from Musa's Insurance Brokers, who got it free complimentary copy from Muhammad's Hardware. 012 374 6102. Lakar Blay, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.